Hi! Papermerge has a feature called Automates. With Automates you can, automate certain tasks like assigning text to incoming documents or moving documents to a specific folder. Writing Automates involves a little bit of guesswork. Even if you know for sure that certain words occur in the document, it will take a couple of trial and error cycles until you'll end up with correct automate. In this screencast I will show you how to troubleshoot automates. Let's start. Here I have an automate which I gave a title Schnell Receipts. The goal is to automatically move all incoming receipts of this company to groceries folder and automatically assign them these three tags: groceries, receipts and Schnell. Let me open this automate. An important field in this form is this one, match, and it basically says that this automate will apply to all documents which contain this word Schnell. So if this automate will find a lowercase Schnell keyword in the document, it will apply these three tags and it will move the document to this folder. In order to test my automate, I'll go to inbox folder, which is empty now, by the way, and I'll drag and drop two Schnell receipts here in inbox. And after a while, these documents are still here. So it looks like our automate didn't quite work. So in order to see if automates run and why they didn't match, we need to go to logs and look for the messages with running automates. So let me open this one, running automates for document 4026, and here I see the extracted text from that automate, and at the very bottom it shows me 0 automate matched. And as you can see here, in the extracted text, the Schnell text is all capital case, but in our automate, this one, I opted for case sensitive lowercase. What I want to do now is to run this automate again, but this time with is case sensitive checkbox unchecked. Let's do that. So I will uncheck this one, save, and then in order to run a specific automate again, I need to select it. So I'll select this Schnell Receipts automate, and here in this menu on the right side, I will choose Run Selected Automates. So instead of two folders in inbox, now it's only one. So one of the two documents matched, and the other receipt should have been moved to groceries folder. So let me go to documents, and here in expenses, groceries is this other receipt. And the obvious question now is why the other document, this one, didn't match. In order to answer that question, we'll have a look at logs. Notice that the title of this document ends with 26, so it's 4026.pdf. So if I open logs, and I'll check here for this document 4026, and I'll open it, and indeed here at the bottom it says 0 out of 4 automates matched, and it didn't match because in extracted text you see here Schnell. The OCR engine got confused. This letter should have been a capital L, but it is a capital I. To fix this issue, what I'll do, I'll go to automates, and in my automate here I will add that Schnell sort of extracted text here. Notice the first keyword ends in double L, and the second keyword ends in IL. What is important right now is this matching algorithm. If I have any, the automate will match if any of this keyword is present in the document. So now with this second keyword there, I will save, again select the automate and run selected automates, apply, and voila, the inbox is empty. which means that the other document have been moved to groceries folder as well. So let me open that folder, documents, expenses, groceries. Here are indeed both receipts, and as you can see, both of them have applied these three tags: groceries, receipts, and Schnell. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.